Welcome. I hope everybody's having a good day. Today we're going to be reviewing Email Ramp Agency Edition by Napier. So let's get right into it. Email Ramp Agency Edition contains 200 out of 499 pre-written emails. This is just 200 pre-written email templates. This is very useful when it comes to email marketing. Next, the system also provides you with business card templates. This is very useful when it comes to creating business cards. Next, they provide you with Facebook ads and Google ads templates. This is very useful when it comes to advertising with these platforms. Next, they provide you with invoice, letterhead, brochure, proposal, and email templates. This is very useful when you need to use one of those things because you have it ready to copy and paste. Next, you have a one-page client acquisition website, which is basically just a client acquisition funnel, and that's also very useful. Overall, I would give this software a 9 out of a 10. Now, when you purchase with my link below, you also get access to my 3 personal bonuses. I'm going to show you right here. My personal bonuses are Turbo GIF Animator. This is a super fast way for you to make GIFs on the go. Next, you have Opti ROI. It helps you manage and visualize your ROI for your campaigns. Next, you have List Cleaner. What this does is it sorts through your email lists and you can take out duplicates, bad emails, and fake emails,